got pork buns again this morning because that's how good they are. And we wanted something quick and easy, so this was quick and easy.
Yup. Mustard. Shaky though. Oh yeah, because I haven't eaten food.
Ready?
Taste it.
Oh, dang it.
All right, please pick it up. Hold up, ready? Ready, 3, 2, 1, front.
Dang it.
Right, pick it up. Ready, take it. Is it okay? Ready, 3, 2, 1, front. All right, please pick it up.
Quite the day, you guys. It is about 5 o'clock. We went to Kyoto and then we were gonna stop in Osaka, but we were just beat, y'all. So we went straight to Kobe, like the Shin Kobe station. And then from there we got on a bus and it took us about an hour on the bus to get to where we are now, which is our hotel on Awaji Island. We're staying at the Fairfield Marriott Hyogo Awaji Higushira. I don't know the whole name. It's really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. You walk in, you've got some open clothing storage here and a little bathroom. You've got your shower room as well as your water closet, TV. I'm so glad that we have a big bed since we didn't get to like cuddle up because we had small beds yesterday. So that's actually nice because this is an anniversary trip after all and I want to cuddle my man. But best part about this room, just like the last room, is the view, which is still gorgeous. It's just a very different, beautiful view. That is mainland Japan you're looking at over there. And some ships and stuff. More of Awaji Island, and I believe back there that's also mainland Japan. But yeah, gorgeous, and I'm ready to have some chill time with my man.